Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi Stephanie and welcome to your Workout Wednesday here at Say Yes, Pilates and Beyond, where I help you master moving into joyful and expansive connection to your radiant body home, heart open, moving energy. All you need today is your mat and your beautiful radiant body for a rollback deep core that you probably have never tried sequence. So let's move. Begin just rolling down onto your mat. Oh, it makes you have space all around you, especially overhead. We're still celebrating the Halloween feels here in La Campagna. And I haven't done these in ages, so it's like this big yawn. I'll do the best I can here with my space. And I always call these Simone Biles arms. She just, boom, landed, stuck it. Take an inhale. You can flex out through the feet. Put a little shimmy wiggle in the pelvis. Ooh, that's nice. And then from there, nod your chin. Allow the arms like a cape to flow behind you. And then condense in. As you do that, you're going to give yourself a little kind of rebound hug. And then lengthen back out. Inhale. Feel free to arch, wiggle, shimmy wiggle the little more length into the hips and pelvis. And then exhale, condense. Give yourself that little tapping hug. Inhale. And exhale. Shoop. Inhale. And exhale. Really anticipating with the breath. So breathe to allow the movement to unfold. We let those arms really rebound, a rebounding embrace. Really expanding and then condensing. And really massaging those innards. Hence the deep core focus today. So thank you everyone for being here. Welcome subscribers, welcome new subscribers. Everyone hit that bell. Fresh videos like this drop every Wednesday, every other Monday. I bring you a quick tip. Want to join me live for class? Memberships are live at my app-based home, The Incoming. Join me there now. You can actually join for free and then check it all out. Everything is in the description. Give it a look. And then continue there for a few more. I'm actually going to link last week's Spooky Flow because it was a rocking flow. It's quite different, but it has a similar vein in terms of how it evolves and also this deep curling, and furling. Let's do one more and meet at the top. And this time, we're going to take our arms, big yawn, up and back. Fingers pretty wide, face you, and we're really sinking in the shoulders here. So as you do that, curl in. Ooh, tap the feet down, and then lengthen back out. Slightly different rhythm. Around. Big circle, curl. Up, then down. I'm going to turn this way a little bit. And exhale. Still give yourself that tapping hug. Big circle. Rocking back as deeply, as far back as you can for the shoulders and body and spine. And exhale. up and around. Once more there. And this time we change. Reach up. This time, same as part 1 and part 2, it starts the same. Now we reach up, boop, and then it's almost like a little seesaw reach forward, and then allow yourself to roll down. I'm going to move forward so I don't whack back there. Roll down without the arms. Now you have the choice to splat Simone Biles' arms, or from there, roll up, still bending and condensing in. Shoop. Up. Tip back, lengthen. Seesaw. Forward. And down. Maybe splat the arms, maybe not. Either way, condensing. At a certain point, sort of once you begin to curl, yeah, everything pulls in and up. Shoop. Up, rock back. Now it's it's kind of a lead follow flow. It feels kind of nice. And again, maybe you splat anyway. Come on up. Condense. Really finding that exhale. Shoop. Reach. And down. And up. Whatever arms you choose. With or without. And that can cycle throughout. That can change each time. Moving forward so that I have space behind. If it feels like your pants are coming down, that means you're doing it correctly. That means you're actually moving the pelvis as a deep unit. I used to joke in my live classes, I was just going to do one class just of 60 minutes of rollbacks, and you would be out of your pants by the end. Or maybe I thought it was a dance. I was like, oh, wait, no, that's a dance piece. Yes. And let's do one more. Maybe 1.5, because that one feels really nice. The rhythm of it feels really nice. Oh, boom, 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 and down. So this time again, just find your way up with or without the arms. Still condense. Adjust the pants if you need. Give yourself that hug. And then from here, reach up and back. We're going to hang out here for a moment. I'm going to be more in the diagonal this time. Reaching up, and we're going to do a skip. So as best you can, flex the foot that's going to go down to the ground. Shoot. And then you're just going to, that's all you're going to do. You're going to shift. Up. Shift. And as long as you flex both feet, that's fine. If one foot does not want to point, that's okay. Excuse me, moving things through. Up and skip. Up and really let it be a fall. Excuse me, it's a heavy drop. Up and drop. Up and drop. One more each like this. Up and drop. Up and drop. So this time, up, we do the same thing. We swing ourselves forward. Let me do that again, actually. It's hard to do it slow. Forward. Woo! I went too far that time. And then you're just going to see if you can give yourself a little bit of up. And let's pause for a moment, because I was playing with these, and really what's important is here, now we keep the foot flexed. And it really is as if we are taking a step. So we roll through the ankle and foot, and that really helps. Helps us get up on the foot. So again, slow motion, we really allow that heel to touch down first, then you roll through, swinging forward. Maybe there's a little lift in your bum. So aim for that, the momentum to carry you. Now let's do it up tempo, because that's kinder to our bodies. Reach up, keep the feet flexed, roll through. Up, Keep the foot flexed, roll through. Up, you're just taking a step. Up and and up and up and up and up. A couple more. Up and up. And one more each. And up. Now this time, awesome. That's a great thing to practice doing a lot. And then after you're like, what did I do? You basically did, can't even think of what it's called. It's a thing in the fitness world, but it's a single leg squat. A piston squat, something like that. So now we're hanging out in those shoulders at the back. I'm going to come forward a little bit. Hanging out in those shoulders, really allow them to roll forward, softening that solar plexus there. Reaching up, solar plexus here. Yeah, that curl. And then up. And then you just do, it's like you do a little bit of a mermaid. You're a little sassy for a moment. And let's actually flex and point. And flex and point. And now look at that back arm. It's okay if it stretches. And up. And opposite arm. Up. Around. Up. Nice and sassy. And up. Around. And up. Around. Now this time we don't touch down. And this time we keep the knees floating. And up. Around. And up. Around. Up. Around. Both elbows bent. One elbow. And up. Around. And up. Around. And up. Around. Last time, and up. Around. Let me move myself forward. Up. Drop forward. Swing. And flop. Flop and drop. Adjust yourself on your mat. Shimmy, wiggle the pelvis. You can give a little love to your guts, to your deep core, to your shoulders, anything else that you need, your face. And just enjoy this connection, this weight, the weight of you being supported by the earth. Let any control over your breath go. Take a moment to feel what sensations your body is feeling. And then also anything that you recognize in your space. Bring your left hand to your heart, your right hand to your belly, just in this attitude of love for you. Safety, love, compassion, grace. Take a big breath into the belly, the ribs, the upper chest. Suspend at the top. Swallow if you need. And then deep sigh of satisfaction out of the mouth. Stay here as long as you are able and would like. And thank you so much for coming. I will see you next time.